Arcade. Another is Reborn Thunders, again for open category. May you call on, the next one is Richie Mokto for open category. Next is Real Team Fredricon, again for open category. For the 40s category, may you call on the Blizzard for 40s category. And last but not the least, the Highland Defender for 40s. Hold the true spirit of sportsmanship. To play fair, play hard, and play with respect. I will respect the rules of the game, the decisions of the officials, my teammates, my opponents, and myself. Win or lose, I will do so with dignity, and always try to bring honor to my sport, my team, and my community. So help us God.
It is such a pleasure to be here today with you to celebrate sportsmanship, being a Filipino. So anyway, I've been serving PEI since 2022. I'm doing mortgages. So yun lang, binigay ng bahay to qualify for a mortgage para finance yung bahay kung ako yung gumagawa. So we can Scotiabank, TD, all these lenders. Anyway, let's skip all that and I wish you guys all to have fun. And good luck to my team! Good luck to everyone!
Again, thank you, Mr. Fiona, for making this possible. Thank you very much. And for everybody, not just having